6 Advantages of talc ball press. 1. The material extrusion effect is good, high pelleting rate, high pelleting strength. 2. The roller surface is made of synthetic manganese steel material, which has good use effect, long service life, and wide selection range of roller diameter. The talc ball press can also design the roller diameter and the whole machine power, according to customer needs. 3. The use of dual shaft reducer structure, improve the roller precision, gear using hard tooth face gear, improve the performance and life of the reducer. 4. Hydraulic standing, adjustable pressure and overpressure protection function. 5. The occupation space is smaller than the existing technology, the motor power loss is small, high power, less maintenance, can adjust the value of high speed, improve the yield. 6. The dust in the dust collector bin is transported to the storage bin of the equipment by pipeline. Closed pipeline transportation process will not cause dust pollution.